got me a CRB. Oh, and it's upside down. Oh. Instruction. Yeah, we don't need that yet. Leave this all the parts. Here's the handles, the trays, and the little flat plate. Actually, this one doesn't even come with the wheels. That's still a cool model. Just want to show real quick. This is how you take out the brushes. This little button right here. Push that. This bar comes out. Take these out, clean this area, and reinsert the brush. I don't know if you're able to see all that. Hit the button. This is the 12-inch model. Also, we have the 10, 15, 17, and a 20-inch model. Just so you know, the 10 and 12 and 15 models are the biggest sellers. And P.S. Rob runs the 12-inch on his big truck. Alrighty. Everything's good to go. Now, just kind of show how to put a tray on. These, you see this little button here in the center. That's how you lock it in. Put it into the fat side, slide it to the center. Anything else? First pro tip, remove the protective covering off of your electric plug. Second tip, we'll switch the handle around so this wrap will be on the right side, the correct side with the cord. And to do that, you just need a Torx. You got a 6mm, you remove these 2 bolts, and away you go. I'll demonstrate that now. .180. Puts everything back. You could put Loctite on the bolts if you want. Keep them from vibrating off. I like to start them finger tight first. Make sure they don't get cross-threaded. Once they're in there, then you can go. And I'll go hand tight with this. Yeah. There you go. Now it's oriented in the right direction. There you go. And Another tip, if you ever get the brushes caught on anything and it shuts the machine down, there's a little reset button right there. You can just hit that and it'll reset the system. You can turn everything back on again. And with cleaning the brushes, let me show you that real quick. There's a little button. I'm going to come zoom in. Push this button. This releases the drive shaft in here that holds this brush in place. Push that in. This whole thing will come out. And that's how you can remove and clean this area. And what we like to do while the machine is on, you take like a little doormat, take a hose and spray it between the two brushes while it's on, and you know, click it on, and it'll dislodge any debris that's caught up in there. But just be mindful, you don't want water hanging around these bearings, because that's what'll start degrading the lubrication and making them sound weird, and you hear metal and metal, stuff like that. Last pro tip is it's ideal to grease these bearings with a lithium grease. We have a video that you can, we'll link so you can, give me the right terminology. Next pro tip is greasing. We have a whole video on how to grease these bearings or gears on this side, linked down below. And if you ever have any issues with any parts, look at your manual, starts at page 18, and just let us know. We'll get you any parts you need to replace.
As always, remember, we operate on the law of reciprocity. I believe if I help you become successful, you'll help me become successful. And I'm living proof of it at tmfshop.net. So we appreciate you supporting our small family business for all your cleaning needs. On top of it, please take the time to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'm Rob Allen with TruckMountForums. Have yourself a great day.